buggy, and we've got Kenzie on the Honda, Cam on the Honda. Then we have special guest Bryson on his side-by-side.
Yo, sick rig, dude.
I know, right?
Discovery.
So there's Mackenzie.
Moncton Mudrunner's trails. It's gonna be great. I don't know what we're doing, to be honest. We're going up Mont Eagle. We're going to the boot shelter and Millbillies.
Boot shelter, here I come. Hope the ladies are there. Did you fly off?
You should pull it out.
Yeah. Well, I also bailed, kind of.
Hey, your bumper saved you. That it saved you. Here, pull it out in the light.
Yeah, fuck, you damn near killed me.
I couldn't tell that you were flipped until it was the last second.
Hey, great footage for the channel.
Yo, we
hope I got it.
Yeah, like I was going a good like 85, 90 there.
Transmission too, like as a car transmission.
Like it's kind of sick.
I know it is.
What?
This.
Kind of sick.
I love it. Just there's one slight problem.
Bryson, I'm sorry, I opened your door at the house.
I was wondering who that was.
When I left after pizza, I opened his door and laid it down.
Oh yeah, okay. It's a hazard. There you go.
Yo, no, that's sick. Oh, camera lady.
Can you guys judge my lights like that?
Guys,
Yeah.
like literally right before, and I was like, I don't know, like maybe I'm trying to manifest. Like I just was like good vibes
You
only.
manifested it.
But it's like I knew. It's like I literally knew.
You don't check, you'll never know it's there. Bryson, you got that piece of shit ready?
Yeah.
You know this side has no hinges as well?
I know.
Oh,
shelter. Me and Connor come here at least twice a month. I bring.
Hey, do I have that one friend that really fucks with starting a fire?
Hey guys,
Do I have a friend that really fucks
we're out
with
here
starting
on the
fires?
air.
Would you like some
Water?
We got kindling too. Good.
Yo, welcome to my house. MTV Chris. Just move?
I know, guy.
Dude, I wish there was a fire going in here. Hey.
Cold.
Mine's probably fucking frozen too. I'll heat it up.
Dude.
Is that how it is? He's got a
Did someone say
5-year-old
shotgun?
kid.
Who said that?
What?
Someone said shotgun.
Did somebody say shotgun?
Somebody said shotgun.
Oh, she's a squirter. What did you say? That made you laugh?
Don't worry, Ken's. I'll put it in 2 times speed.
I should call. Cam started touching me.
Where was he looking?
Ruben?
Do you ever wish that you were taller?
Becca, do you wish you were taller? Let's change the angle.
Don't ever do that.
Creeper. Oh man, going back in the mine, got our pickaxe swinging from side to side, side to side.
There we go. Good job. Good boys.
Put it in the reverse, and what we got?
What is he doing?
I think we might try one more time to just push him over the tree.
Good idea.
Once he gets over,
Let me get in there.
Yeah, get in there.
Get him down.
Get the old XMR. That's your man. That's your man. That's your boy.
that's mine. That's my husband.
And we're proud of him. Ah! Oh!
Oh, he's coming. Candlelight. Here he comes. Deforestation right in front of our eyes. probably Cam.
I just did that! That's not bad. Oh, no, that's right. I was gonna say. You still have it on?
No.
You have it the whole time?
No.
You're brave.
I thought you were joking.
No, you're good. You're good. Wait, oh, because you were going to hit me? Yeah. We get the road model, pull you out.
Tries to help me go.
I was just trying to help you get your seatbelt on. Okay, here. Go get your seatbelt on so that doesn't happen again.
It doesn't move.
What do you mean?
Like I can't get the bottom.
Maybe you need more Ozempic. No, I'm kidding.
I can't slap. We did go off-road trying to get that seatbelt on. I'll make it funny.
I'm stuck.
Cameron,
Slippery.
that was actually pretty smooth. Oh my god! You make contact?
Oh yeah!
Which one?
He's good. I checked. I didn't hit him.
Exactly where it is, okay?
Kenzie.
Yeah. Henry pushed me into the ditch and then Cam hit me while I was in the ditch.
No, neither can I. I was like sideways. And I was only going like 40 and just fuck. You're going to 100%?
Yeah, you didn't hit me, just the bike. Sounded really bad.
That last like
Cam can't drive. I'd like to shout out James, the Smolenja guy, on Facebook. Follow the page. We make content a little different from this guy's content. Dude, wait.
I drive like an idiot on the track.
Never been stopped by any amount of snow. Just push
What?
it back, I'll push him over.
Oh, I don't want to do that.
Yo, I'm out.
Put on your helmet. Oh, corner!
Honey, are you okay? Ah, pause! No, I'm just joking.
Are you actually not? It looked like it hurt.
I did.
All right, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. What do you see next time on Nick's shop?
I don't know what the channel name is.
What do you say like at the end? Like, see you guys next time.
I say...
Dude, I'm wearing
No, those are sick, dude.
I really cared until I met you.
That's copyrighted music.
I wrote this, and now it chills me to the bone.
No! Did I miss that? No! How bad? Not too bad. Pretty fucking bad.
One slaying queen, maybe two. Still fucking stuck in this damn thing. Let me out of this prison.
Nice you got fucking
And,
5 more subscribers till Becca posts a singing video.
Becca, close your ears.